Lemon steak is a regional specialty of the Nagasaki Prefecture. You may have never heard of it, but not only is it make your clothes fly off delicious, it's also super quick and easy to make at home. I learned this recipe from a channel called Ikuta Kitchen, and I'll link to her video in the description below. First off, this isn't really a steak like we Americans think of. This recipe uses thinly sliced beef. I'm using some expensive thinly sliced ribeye that I got at Costco. The first thing we're gonna do is thinly slice a few slices of lemon for garnish, and then I'm gonna squeeze the rest of the lemon to get some lemon juice for the sauce. You're looking for about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. To make the sauce for the steak, start off by grating a quarter of an onion and 1 clove of garlic into a mixing bowl. Then add 6 tablespoons of shoyu, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, then 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice that you just squeezed, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and some cracked black pepper. Give this all a mix to combine and your sauce is done. To cook my steak today, I'm using a griddle because it's just easier for me to film, but you can use a fajita skillet or just a regular pan on the stove. Get it ripping hot and then throw it on about a tablespoon of butter and lay down your beef. Don't move it around too much, just let it build up a nice crust at the bottom and let the heat come up through the meat. When you have that nice crust and you can see the meat is beginning to cook through, spoon on a few tablespoons of the sauce. Let that cook and steam a bit and then top with your lemon slices and it's done. Super easy, super quick. This is supposed to be eaten pretty rare, but if that freaks you out, feel free to flip the meat over and cook it all the way through. If you have good quality meat, it's not going to get too hard or anything. This sauce will also work on thinly sliced pork belly or pieces of chicken. Honestly guys, this is so good. Highly recommend that you try it if you can find some good quality thinly sliced beef. 10 out of 10.